Hi, it's me again. And I just want to take a second to show you what I did to the Thunderbird to fix it from the last video. I want to say thank you to everybody that chimed in and gave me some suggestions. I used your suggestions of JB Weld High Heat, and it went really well. I had never used it before, and it was funny. Dan on the Run suggested using it, and that morning I had actually found the jar of it in the store and picked it up, and it worked really, really well. So what I did was I found this little plug in the hardware store, and what this actually is a retainer for an axle shaft on like a vacuum shop vac or something like that. And I actually just liked that because it fit snug in the hole, and it had those cleats on the side that actually did kind of help, I think, give the JB Weld something to grab. And I just put a nice layer on it. I let it cure for a couple of days. All right, so this is the finished product, guys. And I mean, it worked really well. When you crank it up, you can't hear any exhaust leaking anymore. It's quiet. I would crank it up for you, but I have encountered another problem. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I started hearing noises after putting another 200-300 miles on the car, and the water pump is going out. The bearing is. It's not leaking, but it is flopping around quite a bit. I do not want it to get worse and accidentally nick my radiator, so I'm not even gonna crank it. I've got a water pump on the way, but I'm gonna put that in as soon as I can. But otherwise, the car's been doing really good. It's just one of those things. This car's been sitting neglected for a really, really long time, so I knew there was gonna be some stuff once I started actually driving it. Now you could see that it doesn't look too bad. Now, a little bit of brown paint would make me feel better about it, but it is supposed to be a temporary fix. If I don't end up selling the car before I get to that, I will, of course, be taking that apart, but I'm hoping that I'm just going to sell the car. I kind of need to. I mean, I don't want to get rid of it, but I kind of have to sell it, so it is what it is, I guess. All right, so that's it for the video. I know that it's not the most useful information out there, and I hope it does help somebody, but the truth is, right now, I'm just in a situation where I can't make a lot of content. I don't have a lot of time. I am working on a much more ambitious project. I've got a really cool old pickup that I'm going to redo, and I'm not going to share a lot of details yet, but I'm going to be posting that video hopefully in a month or so. Really excited about that. It's so far been really fun, but it has been kind of challenging, so we'll see how it goes. Also, that's my 49 DeSoto. Just a good solid old car. Yes, it's a 4-door, oh well. One day I'd like to put a 5.2 Magnum fuel injected in it. I have one that runs really good, but I've got to have the time and money to actually get that done, so we'll see.